G'day everyone, so in this video we'll be going through the COLL algorithms for this TOLL case. So the T case is where you have all the edges oriented and you've got the yellow colors on the left and right hand side. You can kind of imagine if they extend it out, it kind of forms a T. For these cases, we recognize corner permutation based on these four colors here. So you got the back two on the top here, and you got the front two corners at the front here. So again, as with any COLL recognition or any corner permutation recognition, we're looking at matching colors, opposite colors, or adjacent colors on these four corners in relation to each other. So with that in mind, let's jump right into the first case, which is this one here. So it's recognized with the back two corner colors being matching and the front two corner colors are also matching. And you don't have to recognize this, but they also happen to be opposite colors as well. So if you get this case, the algorithm is actually quite easy. So it's actually anti-soon followed by anti-soon from the back. So it starts out with the anti-soon from the front like this. And then you get this case, which can be quite familiar. It's just anti-soon from the back. So the next case is this one here. This one's recognized with the front two corner colors matching. So they're both red in this case. And the back two colors are not only not matching, but they're also opposite colors as well. So if you get this particular case, you can do this algorithm, and it's actually quite an easy algorithm to remember if you remember what you're doing rather than the actual move notation. So it starts out by moving this F12 pair out from the back like this. So you use an R prime U R like this. And now you follow that up with an U2 to kind of move it in this position. Once you've done that, you do an L prime move, and then that kind of pairs this F12 pair up, and ignoring the unsolved stuff, just insert this pair into the back and then revert the unsolved pieces like this. So for the third COLL case, which is this one here, it's recognized by the colors on the right side are matching and the colors on the left over here are opposite colors. So for this one, I always remember it as you want to face the side with the matching colors. So in this case, we've got the right side matching, so we actually want to face this side, so we want to bring that side to the front. And with this case, we just do the lefty version of this standard OLO algorithm, which is a lefty wide sexy followed by a lefty wide sledge. So it starts out with the lefty wide sexy followed by the lefty wide sledge. So if you clicked on this video, chances are you are interested in learning algorithms. And so I just want to quickly mention that I have an app for exactly that. It's called CubeAlgo. I've mentioned it previously. It's an app that I built by myself, and it's specifically for cubers who want to learn algorithms. So it's available for a free download on the App Store. It works completely offline. And if you are interested in learning algorithms such as COLL, then they are available in this app. So when you open the app, to get to COLL, you just go to 3x3 and you go to COLL, and here are all the COLL algorithms. You can keep track of your algorithms by setting learning statuses. So for example, I've learnt a particular algorithm, and you can jump straight into the built-in practice mode as well. So if you are interested, please feel free to try out CubeAlgo. Again, as I said, it's available as a free download on iOS devices. Let me know what you think, and we'll continue on with the tutorial. So for the fourth case is this one here. So this one's recognized with the back or top matching corner colors here, and then the front corner colors are opposite colors here, or in other words, not matching. So if you get this particular case, you actually want to hold the matching corner color side towards you. So we want to do a U2 to hold it from this angle, and then you can do this algorithm. So again, there's a nice pattern to remember it. So it starts out with an F followed by a sexy, and then follow with this variation of a sexy, so R U prime, R prime U prime, and then finally finish off with R U R prime and F prime, like that. For the fifth case, we have this one here. So this is actually similar to the third case where we have the vertical corner colors matching here, but in this case we're matching on the left side, and then on the right side they're not matching, or in other words they're opposite colors. So in this case, again, we want to hold it towards the matching side. So in this case the left side is matching, so we hold that side towards the front, and from here we actually do the standard OLO algorithm, which is the wide sexy followed by the wide sledge. So it starts out with a wide sexy, so the first wide move here, and then a wide sledge with a wide R prime. And then the final case is this one here. So this one's recognized with the vertical matching corner colors here. So the corner colors on the left and right are both vertically matching. So for this case, we can use this algorithm. This is probably the most difficult algorithm of the set, but again, it's quite easy to remember. So it starts out with an R prime U R2 D. So I usually use my left ring finger for this, and then follow with R prime U2 R, and then we kind of just undo the setup moves here. So it's D prime, so I usually do a push here, and then R2 U prime R, like that. So that's it for the COLL cases. Like the video if you learned something new. Please subscribe if you want to see more similar videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.